Have you ever experienced the pain of losing someone you deeply cared about? Maybe she walked away, lost interest, or simply drifted apart without any clear explanation. It's natural to feel the urge to chase her, beg for another chance, or analyze every little detail to figure out what went wrong. But here's the reality. Doing so will only push her further away. So what can you do to win her back and make her respect and desire you more than ever? The answer lies in Stoicism. Let's dive into it. Throughout history, countless men, from powerful emperors to seasoned warriors and brilliant thinkers, have endured heartbreak. Marcus Aurelius, the famous Stoic emperor, understood that attachment leads to suffering. He once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This principle applies to relationships as well. By focusing on what you can control, your mindset, actions, and growth, you can transform the entire dynamic. Chasing, pleading, or becoming emotionally desperate destroys attraction. But indifference, self-improvement, and emotional mastery are magnetic. If you want her to come back, you need to become the type of man she regrets leaving. Let's explore the Stoic approach that makes this possible. The Stoic strategy to win her back. 1. Stop chasing. Embrace the power of indifference. Women are instinctively attracted to strength and emotional control. When you start chasing, texting endlessly, or trying to prove your worth, you're signaling weakness. Instead, choose silence and give her space. This isn't a manipulative tactic. It's about reclaiming your power. As Epictetus once said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. When she sees that you remain unfazed by her absence, she'll start to wonder, why isn't he chasing me? Has he moved on? Is he seeing someone else? That curiosity and uncertainty will spark attraction. 2. Become a Stoic man of value. The best way to make her regret leaving is to evolve into a better version of yourself. This isn't about seeking revenge or making her jealous. It's about real self-improvement. Focus on your purpose. Women respect men with ambition and drive. Improve physically, mentally, and emotionally. Work out, read, meditate, socialize, and broaden your horizons. Show her that your happiness isn't dependent on her. As Seneca wrote, luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. The moment she notices your transformation, she'll feel the shift. 3. Let her come to you. When a woman senses that a man has moved on and is thriving, it triggers something deep inside her. She'll start to reminisce, compare you to other men, and wonder if she made the right choice. If she reaches out, even in a small way, don't jump at the chance immediately. Respond calmly and maintain control. Don't dwell on the past. Let her rediscover who you are. Keep conversations light, positive, and confident. Make her earn back your attention. This is where attraction is rekindled. How to use this knowledge to your advantage. Cut off all unnecessary contact. If she left, let her experience your absence. Focus on rebuilding yourself. Work on your health, confidence, and mindset. Live your life as if she's never coming back. Ironically, this will make her reconsider. If she reaches out, don't rush. Stay calm, confident, and composed. Let her prove she deserves a second chance. A man of high value doesn't easily take back someone who disrespected him. Remember, you are the prize. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence, purpose, and emotional control. If she doesn't come back, you've still won. You've become stronger, wiser, and more attractive than ever. Heartbreak isn't a setback. It's an opportunity for growth. The pain you feel now is fuel for your transformation. Follow these stoic principles, and not only will she come back, but you'll have the power to decide if you even want her anymore. If this video has been helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more stoic wisdom. And remember, true strength isn't about winning her back. It's about becoming the man you were always meant to be.